Want to learn how to reset the password of your Roblox account with the help of a phone number? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Roblox app on my phone. You can also do the same and then tap on it. You're onto the very first section of the Roblox account. Tap on Login, below Sign Up. Tap on Forgot Password or Username, below Quick Login. Since we are trying to recover our account with the help of a phone number, you need to enter your phone number to reset the password. Tap on the country code below and choose the country code that belongs to your country. And then tap on phone number and then enter the phone number. Tap on submit below when you're done doing both. You need to solve this challenge so that they can verify you're a real person and not a robot. Tap on verify and pick the snowman. You need to follow the guidelines and prove them that you're not a robot. So you can see that a code has been sent to your phone if it was previously verified on your account. So you need to enter it below. I am going to see if I do have a notification from Roblox on my phone. So I do have a 6-digit code and I'm going to enter it. You can also do the same. When you're done keeping it, tap on verify below. And you can see that you have an option of creating a new password and do not use your old password. Tap a new password below and enter and create a new one. And then tap on confirm new password below and enter your new password once again. When you're done doing both, tap on submit below. You can see that password reset has been successful. Tap on OK below and log in once again. So you can enter your username and then your new password and then tap on login below. You can see that just by doing it, you have been logged into your own Roblox account. So this is how you do it. This is how you reset the password and recover your old Roblox account with the help of a phone number. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.